Hello everyone, in this video we'll walk through how the miniOrange Bitbucket 2FA app is configured by the admin and how the setup process looks for end users. Let's start with the admin configurations first. The admin needs to go to the Manage Apps section where they can see the miniOrange 2FA app installed. Here the admin starts by selecting Configure. A list of authentication methods is displayed, and the admin chooses which ones to enable. In this example, Mobile Authenticator is turned on as the primary method, with security questions and backup codes enabled as backup methods. Once this is done, the admin then needs to enable 2FA for your Bitbucket instance and set it as optional if required. Click Yes to confirm and apply your changes. In this example, the admin has enabled 2FA only for Bitbucket instance and for all users. Now let's go to the User Management tab. Here, the admin gets a complete view of all his users. Individual users can be selected to perform bulk actions such as enabling 2FA, disabling 2FA, or resetting 2FA. These actions can also be applied to all users, regardless of selection. A search bar is available to find users by username, and in the action column, the admin can enable or disable 2FA for specific users based on their current settings. Similar options are available for groups. Under the 2FA for Groups section in User Management, the admin can enable or disable 2FA at the group level. Group actions can be applied individually through the table or in bulk. Once all settings are configured, 2FA enforcement takes effect across the Jira environment. Now, let's take a look at the user flow during their first login after 2FA has been enabled for the organization. On the user side, the login process begins as usual by entering credentials on the login page. Enter your username to identify your account. Since 2FA is enforced, the user is required to set it up. Click Let's configure second factor to start setting up two-factor authentication. The admin's primary method appears first, showing the QR code and security key. The user scans the code with their Authenticator app, enters the generated code, and selects Validate Code to continue. Next, the user must configure a backup method. Depending on what the admin enabled, the user selects a preferred option and proceeds. Click the Next button to proceed to the next step of configuration. For example, if security questions are used, the user answers the two questions set by the admin, then adds their own question and answer before submitting. After this, the 2FA setup is complete and the user is logged in. Click the Submit Answers button to save your security questions and answers. If allowed by the admin, users can view or reset their 2FA setup anytime by going to their profile and opening the 2FA configuration section. Here, they can see all available 2FA methods, including Mobile Authenticator as the primary option, and reset or reconfigure their methods whenever needed. Please note this can only be done if the admin gives the users the permission to do so. On the user's next login, they will be prompted for 2FA since their methods have been successfully configured. This concludes the walkthrough of the miniOrange 2FA configuration for Jira. With these steps, both admins and users can ensure secure and reliable authentication throughout the system.